If you want to cancel a direct debit on your Monese account, here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you do it quickly and easily. First, open the Monese app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're in, tap on the Payments tab located at the bottom of the screen. From there, select Direct Debits to view a list of all your active direct debit agreements. Find the direct debit you want to cancel and tap on it to open the details. You'll see an option to Cancel Direct Debit. Tap that, and you may be asked to confirm your choice. Once confirmed, the direct debit will be canceled immediately. It's important to note that canceling a direct debit in the Monese app only stops future payments. If there's a payment due soon, make sure to cancel in time to avoid being charged. Also, inform the company you're paying that you've canceled the direct debit. This helps avoid misunderstandings or service disruptions. Always double-check your transaction history to ensure no further payments are taken after cancellation. That's it. Canceling a direct debit in Monese is quick, secure, and entirely within your control.